How to create natural and realistic mockups in Photoshop. First, select the rectangle tool and create the rectangle. Fill color, choose whatever color you like, and the stroke, choose the no stroke. Go to the filter and convert for smart filters. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard to select the free transform tool. Right-click and choose the Distort. Click and drag off the corner handles. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Change the blend mode of the rectangle 1 to linear blur. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold down Alt on your keyboard to split the white slider. And click OK. Open the rectangle 1 by double-clicking Smart Object Thumbnail. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place your design. And just follow this process. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Go to File and choose the Save. Let's come back to our image. And this is the result.